Ayan, so going back to the continuation of the video about volume natin. So for the next 3D object natin, so we have volume of a cylinder. So the formula for the volume of cylinder is equal now to pi r squared h. So take note that in this formula, ang kailangan po natin ay yung radius, which is yung kalahati ng circle. Yan, ito po tinatawag natin na radius. And then, on the other hand, so we have the height. So, typically, ang itsura po ng cylinder natin ay parang ganito. Wala niyo yung mga example sa mga coke. Okay, sa may mismong cylinder na ginagamit nyo sa science lab. Yan, cylinder wherein meron tayong bilog sa as na opening, tapos sa baba ay yung bilog din. So, assume na bilog yan. Ngayon, to find for the volume of a cylinder, take note, our goal is to find kung gaano kadaming space yung kayang ikarga sa isang cylindrical container natin. So, that's why if you note, also, if you are observant enough, mapapansin yung mga water tank is usually naka-express siya into a cylindrical form. So, let's say we are given like this one. Example, if we have a cylinder. Let's assume na bilog yan. Cylinder, ayan. So, ayan, cylinder. Let's say, yung radius ng cylinder natin ay around 5 inches. 5 inches. And then, yung height nito, yung height ng cylinder is around, sabihin natin, 10 inches. So, to find for the space being accumulated inside of a cylinder, so we're going to use the formula. So, we have volume now is equal to pi. Take note, yung gagamitin pong value ng pi dito ay 3.14. 3.14. So, we have 3.14 now times the radius, which is 5 square, times the height, which is 10. So, getting this one, so we have 3.14. Oops. And then 5 square, take note, 5 square is 5 times 5, so magiging 25. 25 now times 10, so magiging 250. 3.14 times 25 times 10 is 250. Yun po yung process natin. Or if you are fast enough, you can already multiply this one directly. So, multiplying this one, so we have 3.14. Volume now is equal to 3.14 times, kung gusto nyo akong unahan, yun akong unahan para ma-verify kung sa tama sagutin nyo. So, we have 3.14 times 250. So, meaning we have 785 cubic inches natin. So, we read this one as cubic inches. So, in volume, in general, and so, we have the formula now, pi r squared h natin. Yan po yung volume. Yan po yung formula ng volume. Now, so, if you want to go back, you can skip this part para makapunta sa next na video. Pero if you want still to go back and watch the video paano nakuha si 785, you can do this one if you have free time with you. Now, moving on, so let's have now volume of a pyramid. And by the way, going back to cylinder pala, sa cylinder natin, in case of some scenarios na given ay yung diameter, when you say diameter, parang ganito. Gagamit ano yung iba pang part ng video. Let's say ito yung cylinder. And then, ganyan. Yan yung likod. Now, in some other cases natin, if given po ay diameter, because take note, diameter is a line, longest line that determines the half of the circle natin. So, kung given ay diameter, then what we can do is to divide this one by 2 to get the radius. So, take note, diameter ay katumbas po niya ng dalawang radius. Dalawang radius po yung katumbas niya. So, meaning, kung ang example, kung ito ay 24, so yung radius natin ay radius na is equal to kalahati ng 24, so we have 12 or 12 units natin. So, yun po yung some other cases natin. Again, take note that in volume of a cylinder, ang kailangan po natin ay radius. Wherein, kung ang given ay diameter, then you need to get the half of this diameter natin. Because, as you can see, kung hahatiin mo yan, I'll be using yellow, kung hahatiin mo yan, so meron tayong R1, and meron tayong R2. O, yan. So, yan yung things to consider in volume of cylinder natin. Ayan. So, moving on. So, let's have volume of pyramid. So, volume of pyramid natin, we have two types. We have square pyramid. And we also have, bumangking na, wait lang. We also have rectangular pyramid natin. Pero, if you notice, they are the same pyramid. However, magkaiba po sila ng base natin. So, if you try to visualize this one, if you try to illustrate this one, ang itsura po ng square pyramid ay pa ganito. Let's assume that this is a square, na kung saan pare-parehas yung mga sides niya. So, if you try to extend this one further, ganyan. Ayan. So, we have now square pyramid natin. In contrast, with rectangular pyramid naman is pahaba. Kaya po siya tinawag na rectangular kasi base niya ay rectangle. O yan. Example, pag ganyan. O yan. O yun. Yan. Mga ganyan example ng pyramid natin. Ngayon, for the volume of pyramid natin, so pares lang po sila pero magkaiba lang sila sa base. So, the volume now for square pyramid natin, we take note when we say square, pare-pares po yung sides niya, is we have volume now is equal to S squared H, then dividing this one by 3. And then, volume now is equal to, for rectangular pyramid naman is we have length times width times height divided by 3. Yan yung pinagkaiba. Yun yung pinagkaiba ng dalawa. So, nakadepende yung volume nakadepende yung formula natin based on its area. Sa base niya, sa baba niya mismo, yung pinaka-pundasyon niya. So, for example, if we have this side as S is equal to 4, and then yung height niya, magmula center ng pyramid hanggang sa pinakagitna is around 11. O, 11. Yung height niya is 11 meters, and then 4 meters natin. So, using the formula, so we have volume is equal to S square. So, we have 4 square times 11 natin. So, we have 4 square is 16. So, 16 times 11. Wait lang, nubo ako. 16 times 11 is 176 natin. Then, 176 divided by 3. So, the volume now is equal to 58.66 cubic meters natin. So, meaning, sa loob ng square pyramid natin, kaya niyang mag-occupy ng around 58.6 cubic meters natin. So, yun yung sa square pyramid natin. Pero, in terms of the rectangular pyramid naman, so similar process and then. So, let's say we are given 2 inches, we are given 9 inches, and then we have the height from the very top of the pyramid up to the very center is around, sabihin natin 6. So, ganun din. Substitute the value. So, we have value of volume now is equal to length is 9. Width is 2, and then height is 6. So, anyway, pwede ka mag-multiply dyan na kahit anong paraan na gusto mo kung anong trip mo sa buhay mo. So, example, kung 9 times 2 times 6, pwede rin yun. Kung 6 times 2 times 9, pwede rin yun. Kung 9 times 6 times 2, pwede rin yun. So, multiply nyo sa 9 times 2 times 6. So, we have 108. Volume now is equal to 108. Then, do not forget to divide this one by 3. So, volume now is equal to 36, meaning the space that it can occupy on a rectangular pyramid natin is around 36 cubic inches natin. So yan. So yun yung last set of volumes natin. So again, sa volume of cylinder, we have pi r squared h. Sa volume of pyramid, nakadepende po sa base niya. Kung ang base mo ay square pyramid, so we have the formula V is equal to S squared h all over 3. And then kung yung base ng pyramid mo ay rectangle, then the formula that we're going to use to find for the volume is V is equal to length times width times height. Then, so yun yung mga set of cylinder, mga volume of cylinder and volume of pyramid natin. Yan. Haha.